Bakit may telepono sila dito? Hello? Hello? It's like a telephone. Dito po kami humuhugot ng energy. Uupo muna kami dito, kukuha kami ng energy. Pampadami ng brain cells. Cells mo. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica Lucas and now we are here at Grand Hyatt Hotel! Look at this baby! Look at this baby like a boss. So this is our bed. This is the sofa. And this is the baby. Ah, we have a nice view. Yay. You can see the Burj Khalifa here. Where's the Burj Khalifa? Where?
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. And this is the Wafi Mall. Wow, are you excited to go swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you excited to go sleeping? Are you excited to go sleeping?
No.
No? You're excited to go swimming.
Swimming is so good.
Swimming is so good.
Let's go.
Let's go now. You want to see outside? You want to see outside?
The outside.
Let's see outside. So we are here at Grand Hyatt Hotel. Angelica Lucas, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back with Angelica.
It's Angelica Lucas. It's Rib like Lucas still. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica Lucas with, what's your name? With Rib like Lucas. And with Vir Lucas, the cameraman, the everything. Yeah. Okay. So, ang kauna-unahan talagang tinitingnan ni Ver. Alam nyo na. What's that? Espresso? Coffee machine. Ayan, gumagawa siya ng espresso, Dad? What's that? Cappuccino? Espresso?
Tea.
Ah, it's a tea. You like tea? You don't like tea, di ba? Nakakatakot yung sound niya, Dad. Okay, hot water. Only hot water. And look at, like a boss. Hi! Say hi, Rib Blake. Say hi to everyone. Rib, you don't want to be disturbed. What's that? What's that? At syempre, hindi pwedeng iwanan. Ang nag-iisa. Hindi pwedeng iwan. Kasama pa rin kahit saan ka magpunta. So, eto din. Meron ganito sa CR sa kabila. So, hindi siya nakikita. It's a mirror. And look at this. This is very nice. Iuwi natin. Ang ganda nito. This is very nice. And the side table as well. Maganda siya. And the TV. Look at this. Look at this. Look, look, look. Okay, we're in Grand Hyatt. Ayaw nila mag-TV. May kanya-kanya silang cellphone. Look at this too. This is king size bed. Hi, Riv! Hello! Can you please say hi first to Mom?
Hi, first to Mom.
Hi first to Mom. Hi, Mommy!
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Rivy! I love you, Riv! I love you, Riv! What you want to do in the hotel? What you told me? You wanna play cell phone lang in the hotel? Huh? You wanna play outside? You wanna play in the kids club, right?
Pick your favorite toys.
Okay, let's go. You wanna see the kids club? Swimming? Swimming for tomorrow.
Swimming? Yes.
Swimming now?
Swimming now? Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go now. Let's go now. And one more thing. So aside from the bed, the very big bed, this is the most favorite. Look. Ito, ang pinaka-favorite place ko. Pinwestohan na niya. How was it? Trono mo. With this. What's this? Dito po kami humuhugot ng energy. Hugutan to ng energy namin. Ito talaga yun. Kailangan namin ng energy for the whole week na naman of work. So, uupo muna kami dito, kukuha kami ng energy. Pampadami ng brain cells. Can I see? Dumadami yung brain cells ko. Let's try, let's try. Dumadami ng brain cells mo. Nakakadami talaga siya ng brain cells. Kala ko pang kulot. Okay, so that's it. And then our view, this is the standard room, downtown view. The cheapest room category. But this hotel is not so cheap. What are you doing? You like it? Again, your favorite? Favorite niya buksan yung ilaw na ganyan? Yan. Let's go na. Bye! We will go out na for swimming.
Yeah.
You wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
You wanna go kids club? Let's go kids club or swimming?
Swimming is
Okay, let's go. Bye! Tita Tin, let's go now.
key card.
Nandito dala ko. Where's your key card?
Where's the key card?
We don't have.
We don't
No,
have.
we don't have key card. Here. Here's the key card. Come on. Can you put it inside your bag? Okay, where are you going now, Riv? So look at this. This is really very nice also about the hotel. They have these paintings. This is nice. It's nice painting, right, Rivi? Okay. And
Let's go.
Let's go.